Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be walking through how to use the Star4Live online server with your MBR and cameras. So first things first, you're going to want to go to www.star4live.com, and this can only be done on Internet Explorer. Integration isn't available for other web providers. From there, you're going to want to log in to your Star4Live account. So for me, I'm going to type in my account now, username and password. And then, okay, so you're going to see now that I've got a few different systems on my account. So I'm going to be logging into my MaxxOne preview account. So on the far right hand side here, you're going to see access device. So I'm going to click access alongside my MaxxOne preview account. Okay, and it's going to slowly log me in. From here, what you can do to load each camera on screen is you can click the camera on the left here to load it into the box that you've currently got highlighted. So for me, I'm going to load this camera up here. Okay, so you can see now that I've loaded one of my cameras, and if you double click it, you can make it full screen. If you double click it again, you can make it smaller. If you want to view a camera in a substream, you can press the little icon that's got a 1 on it at the moment, change it to a 2, which will change it to substream. And again, if you want to change it back to mainstream, you can click it again and change it to mainstream. If you want to access the setup menus of your MBR or camera, you can click setup at the top here. Okay, so as you can see now, I've got all my menus that would correspond with my camera or recorder along the left here. That includes client, system, camera, VCA functions, hard disk functions, alarm functions, alerts, network functions, user functions, and maintenance access. So you can work through and change anything that you need to on Star4Live, on your MBR, on your camera from here. If you wish to look at your playback, you can click playback at the top, and then you can choose your camera and choose a date along the bottom here. So I'm going to go with today's date, and then you can select an area on the playback bar at the bottom and click play. And here now we're watching the playback from earlier. Various other functions are available from Star4Live. This tutorial just gives you a brief overview of how Star4Live works. And that's the end of this tutorial.